how to work at Starbucks, requirements, and where to apply. It starts with a cup of coffee and could end with the career of your dreams. If you've ever walked into a Starbucks and thought, I'd love to work here, you're not alone. Thousands of people every year apply to become baristas, shift leaders, and store managers at one of the world's most recognized brands. But how do you actually get hired? Let's walk you through how to work at Starbucks, what you need, and exactly where to apply. Working at Starbucks is more than just making lattes. It's about connection, growth, and being part of something bigger. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a long-term path, Starbucks offers both flexibility and real career opportunities. But let's start with the essentials. What jobs does Starbucks offer? At the store level, most employees begin with one of these roles. Barista, the heart of the store. You make drinks, take orders, and create great customer experiences. Shift supervisor. Supports the store manager, leads the team during shifts, and helps with operations. Store manager and assistant manager oversees scheduling, hiring, team development, and business performance. There are also corporate roles, supply chain jobs, and manufacturing positions, but most people start at the store. And here's the cool part, Starbucks promotes from within. Many store managers and even corporate leaders started as baristas. What are the requirements? The minimum age is 16 in most US states, sometimes 18 depending on local laws. No college degree is needed for store roles. Starbucks values people who are friendly and customer-focused, punctual and dependable, comfortable working in a fast-paced team environment, willing to learn and grow. If you can handle a little pressure and genuinely enjoy helping others, you're a great fit. Do you need experience? Not necessarily. Experience in retail, food service, or customer-facing jobs helps, but Starbucks offers on-the-job training for all new hires. In fact, their Barista Basics program is designed to teach you everything from how to make drinks to how to connect with customers and work efficiently under pressure. So even if you've never held a job before, Starbucks can be a great place to start. How do you apply? You can apply directly online through the official Starbucks Careers website. Choose your location, check available positions, create a profile, and submit your application. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes and you can apply to multiple stores at once. Hot tip, visit the store after applying, introduce yourself to the manager and show your enthusiasm. That face-to-face moment can really make you stand out. What is the interview process like? It's usually simple and fast. 1. Apply online. 2. Phone or in-person interview, usually with the store manager. 3. Background check and onboarding. Interviews often include questions like, why do you want to work here? How would you handle a difficult customer? Tell me about the time you worked in a team. Answer honestly. Show your personality. Starbucks cares more about who you are than just what's on your resume. What benefits do you get? This is where Starbucks really shines. Even part-time baristas get access to health insurance, stock options, and 401k, free Spotify Premium, tuition coverage through their college achievement plan, free drinks and food during shifts, discounts, bonuses, and more. And with consistent performance, promotions come fast. Many baristas move up to supervisors in under a year. Final thoughts? If you're passionate about people, want flexible hours, and are looking for a workplace that truly invests in your future, Starbucks could be the perfect place to start. It's more than just a job. It's a community. It's growth. And yes, it comes with free coffee. Already working there or planning to apply? Tell us about it in the comments and don't forget to hit like if this video helped you prep for your Starbucks journey.